Part 32, Relief of Choking. Welcome to the lesson on relief of choking. In this video, we will discuss the steps of abdominal thrust. Abdominal thrusts, also known as the Heimlich maneuver or Heimlich maneuver, is a first aid procedure used to treat upper airway obstructions by foreign objects. How to perform abdominal thrusts. Step 1. Stand behind the individual and wrap your arms around their waist under the ribcage. Step 2. Put your fist above their navel in the middle of the belly. Step 3. With your other hand, hold the first fist and press forcefully into the abdomen and up toward their chest. Step 4. Continue performing thrusts until the obstruction is relieved or until the individual becomes unresponsive. If they become unresponsive, then begin CPR. Step 5. Very large individuals or pregnant women can be treated with chest thrusts. To perform chest thrusts, wrap both arms around the individual. Then, pull your arms straight back to deliver the chest thrusts. This concludes our lesson on relief of choking. Next we will review child CPR.